We came to the horses again. Love this place. Dash, go to the front.
Step in the poop, step in the poop.
Hey Dad, come look at this! It's horse.
Oh, I'm stepping in it.
Maybe we could have them take a family picture of us.
Oh yeah, totally. The light's kind of bad though. Dashy, Dashy, look at me. Dash, what is? Dash, what is it?
Uh-oh.
Cheese? Dashy, what is it? Is it a dog? What is it? No, what is it? What is that? Hossa? Hossa?
Maybe we could go down on the rocks and take a picture down there in the